Hi, in this video we will draw a 2D plan from a photo and model it to 3D in Rhino. Before we begin, you will find the reference photo and the 2D drawing file with layers in the description. Let's begin. We will use millimeter units, enable ortho and O-snap, top view. Let's make our layers. Photo. Plan. Exterior wall. Interior walls. Stairs. Doors, windows, floors. Reference level line. Let's change colors. Change the color as you want. Create a sublayer for doors, wood and frame. Change color. Create a sublayer for windows, glass and frame. Change color. Change the line type for the reference level line layer to dashed. Activate the photo layer. From the standard tab, choose Add Picture. Select the picture and open. We don't have dimensions, so we will scale the plan. Scale, base point, first reference point, 24,000. Activate the plan layer. Lock photo layer. Go to Material, set Object Transparency to 50%. Back to Layers. Polygon. Number of sides, 6, distance, read the number from down, about, 4,900. Move edges to match edges in the photo. Offset distance, 300. Copy. Delete the offset curves, select left polygon. Mirror from midpoint, trim, select all, trim lines. Join all curves, offset, 300. Let's make entrance wall. Line. Distance, 1,800. Line, distance, 1,500. Select both line, join, offset, cap none, distance, 200. Draw line, select curves, join, trim lines. Mirror from midpoint, let's make stairs. Draw line, offset, 306 times. Let's make windows. Draw line from mid to mid, draw another line mid to mid. Offset distance, 750, both sides. Offset distance, 750, both sides. Delete mid lines. Select lines, mirror. Select lines, mirror. Select lines. Move lines. Select lines. Copy lines. Draw line from mid to mid. Move lines. Distance, read the number from down, about 1,000. Offset, 700. Select lines, copy lines, 2,550. Draw line from mid to mid, select lines, move, 950. Offset, 700. Select lines, copy, 2,600. Draw line from mid to mid, offset, 500 both sides, delete mid lines. Let's make interior walls. Select line. You can select join line if you press Ctrl and Shift, then left click, copy. Mirror. Copy. 2,700, draw line. Draw line from mid to perp. Draw line from mid to perp. Draw line. Copy. 3,050. Offset, 1,100. Draw line. Offset all lines, distance, 150. this line offset, 75 both sides. Delete midline, trim, select all, trim and extend all lines. If you want extend, press Shift. Extend line, press Shift. Extend line, press Shift. Let's make doors. Draw line from mid to mid, offset, 500 both sides. Copy, 1150. Offset, 1000. Trim. Select line. Extend line, press Shift. Trim line. Offset, 50. Offset, 1000. Trim. Select line. Extend line, press Shift. Trim line. Select line. Copy. Copy, 2900. Offset, 1000. Move. Trim, select lines, trim lines. Turn off photo layer. Now we finish 2D drawing, let's start 3D. Active reference level lane. Rectangle. Front view, we have 6 stairs, every stairs, distance 150, so, copy, distance 900, the top of slab, distance 3400, the parapet wall, distance 1000. Text object, height, 400, 01. Text object, 02. Text object, 03. Text object, 04. Active exterior wall layer. Lock reference level line layer. Top view. Select curves, curve boolean. Click inside region. Enter. Go to front view. Extrude curve, delete input no, solid yes, both side no, to level, 03. Go top view. Select curves, curve boolean, click inside region. Select wall under windows. Enter. Front view. Extrude curve, distance 1900. Set point, set Z only, to level, 03, extrude curve, to down, distance 1000. Perspective view. Change mode to shaded. Let's make top wall for door, select curves. Curve boolean. Pick point. Set Z only, to level, 03, extrude curve, to down, distance 1000. Boolean union, delete input, yes, merge coplanar faces, yes. Let's make floor. Top view. Select exterior wall, entrance wall, stairs and door lines. Curve boolean. Click inside region. Front view, extrude curve, to level, 02. Select extrusion, change to floors layer. Let's make stairs. Curve boolean, select stairs, click inside region, enter, active stairs layer. Extrude curve, distance 150. Copy, 5 times. Boolean union. Top view, draw line. Draw line. Curve boolean. Select curves. Click inside region. Enter, perspective view, extrude curve, distance 1900. Select curves, curve boolean. Click inside region, extrude curve, distance 1900. Select edges, move to down, distance 900. Select closed extrusions. Boolean union. Change to exterior wall layer, Boolean union entrance walls and exterior walls. Let's make interior walls, select plan layer, front view, set point, set Z only, to level 02, top view, curve boolean. Click inside region. Enter. Front view, extrude curve, distance 3000, let's change layer of wall, select all. Change to layer interior walls, active interior walls. Let's make top wall for door. Top view, curve boolean, select curves, click inside region. Enter, perspective view. Set point, set Z only. To top of wall, extrude curve, distance to top of windows. Select interior walls, boolean union, enter. Let's change sill height of bathroom window, Control and Shift then left click both of windows, move, distance 600. Perspective view. Turn off plan layer, let's make slab. Select top of wall, Control and Shift then left click, duplicate border. Select in curve. Extrude curve, distance 400. Change extrusion to floors layer, select out curve, offset. Distance 200. Select both curves, extrude curve, to level, 04. Boolean union. Let's make windows, C-plane. Surface, select surface, enter, rectangle. Move. Select curve segment, move, distance 50, offset. Distance 50. Extrude curve, distance 30, select offset curve, move to mid of extrusion. Extrude curve, both side, distance 10. Change to layer glass. Change to layer frame, active windows layer, select both. Block, select base point, W1. Move. Copy to other side. Select both. Group. Select curves, delete, copy group. Orient. Reference point 1, reference point 2, target point 1, target point 2. Select both of windows, top view. Mirror. Select all window. Press Ctrl to unselect this window. Mirror. Select windows. Copy. Select window, mirror. Perspective view. Delete this window, let's make bath window, it's the same C-plane, rectangle. Offset. Distance 50. Select both curves. Extrude curve, both side yes, distance 25. Select offset curve, extrude curve, both side yes, distance 10. Change layers. To glass. Change layers, to frame, select both. Block, select base point. W2. Move from mid to mid of wall. Delete lines. Other side. Active default layer. C-plane. Surface, select surface, enter. Rectangle. Rectangle. Offset. Distance 50, offset, distance 50. Select all rectangles. Extrude curve, both side yes, distance 25. Select offset curve. Extrude curve, both side yes, distance 10, change layers. To glass. Change layer, to frame. Select left window. Block, select base point, W3. Select right window. Block. Select base point. W4. Select both. Move from mid to wall mid. Change both of windows to Windows layer. Select default layer, delete. Copy, W3. Orient. Reference point 1, reference point 2. Target point 1, target point 2. Copy window. Let's make door. C-plane, surface, select surface, enter, enter. Rectangle, select down curve segment delete, offset, cap flat, distance 50. Extrude curve, both side no, distance, to end of wall. Change extrusion to door frame layer. Rectangle. Move to mid. Extrude curve, both side yes, distance 25. Change layer to wood. Active door layer. Block, select base point. D1. Select default layer, delete. Lock plan layer. Select curve, delete. Select model, zoom select, change view, render mode. Change wood layer material. Change frame layer material. Change glass layer material. Change frame layer material. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.